There's got to be things you want to do, and there's going to be things you have to stop doing. So to create room for the things you want to do, you're going to have to say no to other things. And you can go as far as you want with that. Like if you don't want to cook your own food, okay, get a chef, get a housekeeper who comes every week. We don't have that. Like we're not in that point where we feel like we need that. But like you got to find those things that are the least valuable to you and get rid of them. There's probably other things that aren't going to cost you any money that you got to give up. Like maybe you got to stop consuming so much social media or television, the reruns of whatever, right? Like maybe not. If that's in your vision, that's cool. I'm not going to throw stones at that, but like you're going to have to say no to some things to make room for the new stuff too.
One example, like you said about, let's say you're hiring somebody to clean your house and you don't have the money. Start asking yourself creative questions. Let's say, what if I could not pay somebody right now to pay for the housekeeping? How can I get somebody else to clean my house? Right? You start asking those questions. Maybe there is some barter opportunity that you have that somebody who does the cleaning business, you guys can switch and they'll have one of their ladies, whoever it might be, or man or whoever, go and clean the house in exchange for some kind of service that you do or whatever it might be, right? So there is a lot of creative ways of tackling those different things on your vision. But what ends up happening most of the time, we have these tunnel visions and we don't ask the questions that are outside of that scope.